My topic that I discuss in cell biology is about cytoplasm, the nucleus, ribosome, and endoplasmic reticulum. So, in cytoplasm, this is a cellular material outside the nucleus but inside the plasma membrane. Ito daw yung parang jelly sa loob ng cell na nagpapalapot, but one scientist have learned na ang cytoplasm daw ay hindi lang ito isang simple clear liquid sa loob ng cell, sa halip ay isa itong highly complex solution composed of water, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. And cytoplasm is about half cytosol and half organelles. Cytosol is the fluid portion of cytoplasmic which contains cytoskeleton and cytoplasmic enclosure. So, in cytoskeleton, it supports the cell and hold the nucleus and other organelles in place. So, ito daw yung parang pinaka-skeleton ng cell na sumusuporta sa loob ng cell para diri masira ang porma sa cell tas para lat makapag-move ang mga cell organelles. So, pareho man sa aton lawas, yung skeleton na sumusuporta sa aton mga movement tas sa aton lawas. So, ang cytoskeleton consists of three groups: microtubules, actin filament, or tinatawag din na microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. So, microtubules, this is a hollow tube composed primarily of proteins unit called tubulin. Then, mayon siya kadakoon na about 25 nanometer in diameter. Tas, ang kanya kadakmulon is about 5 nanometer. So, microtubules play a variety roles within the cell. Ito yung tumutulong sa cell. Ito yung tumutulong na sumuporta sa cytoplasm, or much like an internal scaffolding. They are involved in cell division and in the transport of intracellular material at nakakabuo ng isang mahalagang component katulad ng centrioles, spindle fibers, cilia, and flagella. Actin filament naman, or tinatawag din na microfilaments. Ito yung maliliit lang na hibla at may itsurang spider web na may sukat na 8 nanometer in diameter. And it is composed of actin subunits and form bundles, sheets, or network in the cytoplasm. And also, actin filament provide structure to the cytoplasm and mechanical support for microvilli and plasma membrane and define shape of the cell. So, tas an intermediate filaments naman is protein fibers kung saan ito yung nagpro-produce or nagpro-provide ng strength ng cell na may sukat na 10 nanometer in diameter. Then, cytoplasmic inclusion, which are aggregates of cells either produced or taken by the cell. Parang ang cytoplasmic inclusion, parang inisiyaan imbaka ng mga chemicals either produced or taken by the cell. So we have here, organelles are structure within the cell that are specialized for particular function such as manufacture proteins or producing ATP. Ito yung kumbaga parang pinaka-workstation or trabahoan ng mga proteins or producing ATP. So nucleus is the largest organelles of the cell, and the remaining organelles are considered cytoplasmic organelles. So nucleus is located near the center of the cell, at ito yung parang pinaka-control center sa cell. Or parang siya ito parang pinaka-brain sa cell. It may be spherical, elongated, or lobe, depende sa type of cell. So the nucleus is composed of many parts that help function properly within the cell. So nucleus is consist of nuclear envelope, nuclear pores, nucleolus, and chromosomes or chromatin. Nuclear envelope, also known as nuclear membrane, includes the nucleus and nucleolus. So, ang nuclear envelope ay binubuo ng phospholipids bilayer. At ang nuclear envelope, ito yung may mga maliliit na butas. At itong mga butas na to, dito pumapasok at lumalabas ang mga materials papunta sa nucleus. And nucleolus. Nucleolus, this is located inside the nucleus na pinapalibutan ng mga nuclear envelope. So, ang nucleolus, ito ay binubuo ng DNA, RNA, and proteins. And then, the chromosome. The chromosomes are located inside the nucleus and composed of nucleotides which bond together to form a double helix. This double helix is tightly wrapped around the protein to form a chromosomes. The unraveled material from chromosomes that float around in the nucleus is known as chromatin. So, ang chromosomes, ito yung naglalaman ng mga genetic information or DNA sa cell. At ito din yung parang pinaka-code for all of the functions sa loob ng cell. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis na binubuo ng large subunits and small subunits. So, ang ribosome, yaon siya average na 10 million mammalian cell. So, ribosome can be found free in cytoplasm or associated with an intracellular membrane complex called the endoplasmic reticulum. Ang ribosomes, siya ang pinakaditoy na structure sa cell. Siya ito pinakadito pero iniman ang pinakadako ang kanya ginhihimo. Bago pa, small but terrible. In the plasmic reticulum, it is consist of broad, flatted, interconnecting sacs and tubules. So, endoplasmic reticulum or ER, tinatawag ding ER, ito yung pinaka-transportation system na ginagamit ng cell upang maghatid ng mga proteins and enzymes and lipids throughout the cell. So, may dalawang ori ng endoplasmic reticulum or ER, smooth and rough. Sa rough, tinatawag na rough kasi ang ribosomes naka-attach doon. Kaya magaspang siya pagkulwan. At ito yung area kung saan minumodified at pinoproduce ang mga proteins na kinakailangan ng cell. So, sa smooth ER naman, tinatawag na smooth kasi walang mga ribosome na naka-attach doon. So, ang smooth ER, yaon siya different job. Ini siya nagproproduce ng mga chemical na tinatawag na enzymes at dinadala ito papunta kay Golgi apparatus. And also, smooth ER produce lipids which are important fats na ginagamit ng cells. So, ang lipids ginta-transfer ni smooth ER tipakadto sa mga cell membrane.